Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check that who has subscribed to your YouTube channel, or how you can check all your YouTube channel subscribers. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to open the browser in which you have logged in your YouTube channel, and then you'll have to search for YT Studio. Then search for it, and now you'll have to make sure that you do not click on YouTube Studio on the top, because it will take you to the YT Studio application. So you'll have to long press on it and then click on open in new tab. Then you'll have to go to the new tab, and after that you'll have to it will open up YT Studio in front of you. And now you can see I have got 113 subscribers, total subscribers, and below it it shows me a tab of recent subscribers. And if I'll tap on see all, I'll be able to navigate through all of my subscribers. I can also select the time range, like last 7 days I haven't got any new subscribers, and I can filter it out for lifetime, and it will show me all of my subscribers. And it will also show me the dates when they subscribe to to my channel. So you can navigate through your YT Studio app and open this tab up. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.